question from GATE 2015 from Chemical Engineering, question number 55. The impulse response to a tracer pulse experiment for a flow reactor is given below. In the figure, C is the exit tracer concentration. The corresponding E or E theta curve or the normalized E curve is correctly represented by which of the following choices? Here theta is dimensionless. And the four options given are as here. So this is a question from non-ideal reactors and residence time distribution, and the reference from NPTEL can be found in module 1, lecture 53, RTD for various reactors part 2, Chemical Reaction Engineering 1, Homogeneous Reactors by Professor K. Krishnaya, Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Madras. So here in this question they have given us an RTD for a particular situation. So this is our RTD given, and we can see that the RTD curve is basically an isosceles triangle, and we are asked to find which of the following options here represents the correct RTD choice. So the curve that is given for us is basically C versus T curve or concentration versus time curve, and we need to find the most matching RTD curve or E versus T curve. So the concept that we'll be using here is basically area under the E curve, and area under the E curve is equal to 1 integral of E of t dt. So what we can do here is find the area of the four options that is given to us here, and if any of these area under the E curve is 1, then that will be our answer. So what we will do is we will find the area under these curves. So the first one, the area under the triangle is basically for triangle area is half h or half into base into height. So for the first case, the area here is half into 4 into this is 0.25. So this is basically 1 by 2. So this is not equal to 1. So A cannot be our option. And we do the same for the remaining three options. So the area under the second curve will be half into 2 into 2, and that is 2. And the third one is half into 4 into 0.5, and this is 1. And just for surety, we will also calculate the final area, which is half into 4 into 5, and that is 10. So area under E curve for option C is 1. So that is our required residence time distribution, or E versus T curve or the E curve. So the right answer here is option C.